Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Here's a really rare car. It's a factory big block Chevelle. It's the 400 Malibu. From what I understand, is pretty much an SS in disguise. Hey, I'm Jay Grams here at the Volo Auto Museum. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find all the specs, photos top to bottom, and the pricing on this car and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. You will also find on our website plenty of ways to contact us. I have a staff of people here. Their job is to help you get your dream car. So whatever questions you have or concerns, you need shipping, you need financing, we'll help you with all of that. So go to volocars.com and contact us with any questions. Also, click the subscribe button, subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these videos as we put them out. But right now, let's take this 71 400 Malibu for a spin. I sold this car a number of years ago to the gentleman we just got it from. He hardly used it, but it's a Southern car. I believe it was a Texas car with all of its original sheet metal, original quarter panels. It's dry. Even the floors underneath were so nice, somebody painted them red, and the chassis is black, so it's just really clean, dry, original metal. It's got a really good looking paint job. I'm standing here and I would call it a 10, but it's not. I'd have to look for flaws, but I know there's some touch-ups or chips and little minor imperfections here and there, but the car shows really well. Bumper is re-chromed. It's got tinted glass. All the stainless trim is straight and shiny. It's probably all been replaced. Door handles are shiny. The window seals are new. Like I said, tinted glass, remote mirror. Windshield is crystal clear. Krager wheels look like they're new out of the box. They have BF Goodrich tires, extra wide, extra meaty in the back for that muscle car look. Up front, the bumper, headlight bezels, all of that's in excellent shape. It's not the number matching engine, but this was born a big block car. It is a built 396 that's in here, has an Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb with electric choke, headers, HEI ignition, aluminum water pump. It's a factory air-conditioned car that's been serviced. It has R134 Freon. The alternator looks new, has a chrome fuel pump with a fuel regulator. So a lot of nice stuff under there. I would say it's show quality. You open the hood, it's like, wow, it looks great. We'll start it in a minute. It sounds great. Bottom of the doors are spotless. The seams, the factory seams here with factory spot welds, real clean. All the upholstery is redone, and the cushions are real good. You sit in the car, it feels real nice. The headrest, the seat backs, all the chrome trim on the seats, it's all been redone. Trunk is absolutely spotless, clean, original metal. I don't see any patches, nothing soft or rotten. There's no cuts or splices. I looked up in here. Quarter panels are really nice. Also, the factory seams with the spot welds. The paint in the jam looks to be original. The paint's a little rough, but the metal is super nice. Underneath here is real nice and clean. The fellow we just got it from did put a nice chrome tilt column, custom steering wheel, and I was telling you all the interior looks redone, and that includes the door panels, armrest, window cranks, the headliner, visors, the mirror, dash pad, everything looks to be in excellent shape in here. And it is a bucket seat center console car. Let me start it up for you. In back, it's got Hotchkiss upper and lower tubular control arms, sway bar up front, it's got polyurethane bushings in front, turbo 350 trans, power disc brakes, power steering, like I said, factory air. Runs strong. Really nice, honest car. Good, clean, rust-free metal. It's a factory red car. Everything fits really nice. I don't see any signs of rust showing anywhere. That's because it's good, clean metal. The hood fits really nice and square. I was researching the Malibu 400. There's actually not a lot out there, and I've been doing this all my life. It is a rare car. Now, the 396, they bored out in 71. It became a 402, but they were still calling it a 396 because people recognized the 396. They called this the 400 because it's a 402, so it gets a bit confusing, but the 400 does reference the 402 big block engine that it came with. So I guess if you wanted a better insurance rate or just didn't want all the stripes and pizzazz of an SS, you got the 400 Malibu. So a rare car, factory big block Chevelle, red, original metal, air-conditioned bucket seats. This thing's a deal. So go to our website quick before someone beats you to it. If it's not already too late, that's volocars.com. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. We got plenty more videos to come. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.